Alright, so if you're watching this video, it means that you have made a decision to take video editing further, to learn and monetize your skill. Hi, I'm Ella and I'm a video editor, and I've made multiple thousands of dollars from video editing. I started with my smartphone, so this course is going to be mostly for smartphone users who wants to go from using a smartphone to buying their own laptop and then making thousands of dollars with video editing. I want you to know that video editing is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you're coming in here hoping to learn everything in 7 days and make millions, you have the wrong mindset, because it will take some time for a child to grow into an adult, to learn how to walk, to learn how to do a lot of things. So likewise in video editing, you have to give yourself time to process and to master whatsoever you are going to learn in this course. So without further ado, let's get right into the first module of this course.